सारी नजर खाइबे
सुनदे
Robin, interview live ya?
Sungtini sini student rock five sungtini sini Tribelwelfare ni director malaina khakya sungtini five angke sini stipend scholarship problem ni bagi sung phale mani angke sung bigoto 3 din dore 3 days dore sumor tini phale tongayo sini student back in deprive ingsa obonoti and sini director malaika bosaw nor deprive tang ding nai eta main inke pro side horo kabang student total 23,000 above 24 something over high 24,000 something student absolutely scholarship mania ko over his
Mr. Busur of Somanang Samanani.
Okay, Borok saw within 1 month if single for try in South Lake, try Kate on one South. Okay, Borok saw Tekisa, Sini Oro Department Hotel, my Tribelwelfare Department Hotel, Sini officer, some rock Amokaran, say all lockdown in Carone. Senteli or me and we don't have about so. Fresh rock, fresh student, there are scholarshipni 11,625 zona, Tabs Borok, Abonity, pending light of her. Get Delivo, Borok, Tabux, demand Haitongo, direct Nico, 28 crore, over high package of San Hoitoka. Let the take a box, there Gramin Bengi, there problem with Tomato. Gramin Bank problem with Tonga 750 borok report dikha or 750 borok tini chairman Gramin Bank chairman of letter already hokan sawa ke aron bisho zara Gramin Bank problem Tonga clarification kan in sawa ke take isha sawa website of also tari rizana Gramin Bank main sa jara sayam na one money bising mai ekena roto sa kanga sawa ekena 1 month bising mai ekena sa mamo decision plan ne sa motor job kon thangai mano Okay, take us in joint director, senior sir, joint director sir, as send me. Bring phone numbers and certificates and total student. Go by Friday next week Monday. Go by contact ID in South. Anibung to Sushant to the Burma. Identify the student. Student identify that Sumpun organization with yes and student on the student with us.